These four problems are very important. If you are good with these four problems, you can solve any type of problem in this model. With what velocity the boat is moving in this direction? There is no horizontal velocity. Vr is cancelled with VBR sin theta. Everybody is pushing the boat that side. Therefore, what is the vertical is 8, horizontal is 6. This side he is moving with 6, and the rubber is pushing him that side by 3. He started to run. Now they have to find the speed of the run. Hi students, welcome to my channel Doctor's Physics. As I told you, in this video we are going to solve the river boat problems, both in shortest path as well as in shortest time. Okay, now we will see the first problem. We will solve the basic small problems. Okay, we will see the first question. The velocity of river is 3 meters per second. The velocity of the river is 3 meters per second, and the velocity of boat with respect to river is 5 meters per second. The velocity of boat with respect to river is 5 meters per second. That is nothing but VBR. Now they want to find first point. For shortest path, what is the angle made by VBR? What is the for shortest path? What is the angle made by VBR with river flow? For shortest path, what should be the direction of velocity of boat with respect to river with river flow? Now, what is the answer for this? This is a river. Now, this is the point A. For shortest path, what is the meaning of shortest path? The body has to move exactly opposite point. To the exactly opposite point means to B. Now, if I want to move from A to B directly, then I should not move in horizontal direction, that either that side or either this side. I should not move either that side or I should not move either this side. What is the meaning of it? That means there should not be no horizontal velocity. There should be no horizontal velocity. Therefore, I am assuming this is the velocity of river. That is the velocity of river. And I am assuming the velocity of boat with respect to river is in this direction, making some angle theta. Now I am resolving the velocity of boat in two directions. First component is velocity of boat with respect to river cos theta, and beside the component is velocity of boat with respect to river sin theta. Now there should not be no horizontal velocity. If there is no horizontal velocity, what must be the condition? This side the velocity, that is VBR sin theta, must be equal to what? That's the velocity, that is VR. Therefore, what is the angle? Sin theta is equal to VR by VBR. How much? VR is 3 and VBR is given as 5. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, what is theta? Theta is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. When the sin value will be 3 by 5, the sin inverse 3 by 5 is nothing but the angle is 37 degrees. These are the basic units, basic values you have to remember. Sin 37 is 3 by 5 and sin 53 is 4 by 5. You have to remember these values, no other option. Like sin 30, sin 60, you have to remember for sin 37 and sin 53 also. Therefore, what is theta? 37 degrees. Okay, we got the first point. Now we will see the second point, B. Now what is the velocity of boat? What is the velocity of boat? There is nothing but VB. Now if I want to find the velocity of boat, what I will do? What is the velocity of boat? If you are standing on the ground, how you will feel? This is the velocity of river, and in this direction the boat is sailing, but you will feel as if the boat is moving only vertically. Therefore, which is something but how much? What is velocity of boat? Velocity of boat is nothing but VBR cos theta. Therefore, what is VBR? We got as 5. Now, what is cos theta? Theta is how much? Theta we got as 37 degrees. This right angle triangle. This is theta. Sin theta how much? Sin theta is 3 by 5. Sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. Now what is the base? How can you find this? This is nothing but root of 5 square minus 3 square. That is nothing but 4. For what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but base by hypotenuse. That is 4 by 5. That is 4 by 5. Therefore, 4 meters per second. Therefore, what is the velocity of boat? The velocity of boat is 4 meters per second. Now, we will see the third point. Find the time taken to cross the river. Find the time taken to cross the river if the width of the river is 100 meters. If the width of the river is 100 meters, what is the time taken? Now, what is the time taken? Third point. The time taken is, what is the vertical distance? The width of the river is how much? The width of the river is given as 100 meters. Therefore, distance. Now, with what velocity the boat is moving in this direction? There is no horizontal velocity. Vr is cancelled with Vbr sin theta. Therefore, only one velocity is there. What is that velocity? That is nothing but in this direction. Therefore, what is velocity in this direction? With that velocity only the body is moving vertically. Therefore, the body is crossing from here to there only with one velocity. What is it? Vbr cos theta. Therefore, d by Vbr cos theta. That is number 100 by. Now, what is Vbr cos theta? I got as 4. Nothing but 25 seconds. That means the boat will cross from here to there in shortest path. In how much time? 25 seconds. Okay. Now we will see the next point. Now what is the angle made by the? Now what is the angle made by the velocity of boat? dB. The angle made by velocity of boat with velocity of river. Now we got it. Vbr cos theta is nothing but velocity of boat. Now see what is the angle made? This is the velocity of boat. This is the velocity of river. Now this is the velocity of boat with respect to river. This one we got as how much? 37 degrees. Now what is velocity of boat and what is velocity of river? These two are. What is the angle between them? The angle between them is, what is the angle between them? The angle between them is 90 degrees. The angle between them is 90 degrees. Now we will see the next question. We will see the next question in shortest time. Okay, now we will see the next question. Second question. The velocity of river is 3 meters per second. The velocity of the river is 3 meters per second and the velocity of boat is 5 meters per second. The velocity of the river is given as 3 meters per second and the velocity of boat is given as 5 meters per second. It is not velocity of boat with respect to river, it is velocity of boat only. Now, the boat is crossing the river in shortest time. The boat is crossing the river in shortest time. Now, first point, we told to find velocity of boat in still water. They were told to find the velocity of boat in still water. What is the meaning of still water? Nothing but VBR. There is nothing but VBR. Now say me. This is a river. From A it is starting. The body is moving in this direction with the velocity VR. This is water direction. What is the velocity of river? 3 meters per second. Now the body B is moving 5 meters per second. Now they told to find the velocity of boat with respect to river. That is nothing but VBR. Now for shortest time, for shortest time, in which direction the boat has to move? In shortest time, the boat has to move in this direction. That is VBR. The boat has to move vertically, so it can reach the other side in shortest time. Now the resultant, what is VB? VBR is nothing but VB minus VR. Therefore, what is VB? VB is nothing but VBR plus VR. Therefore, what is the magnitude of VB? Root of VBR square plus VR square. Therefore, VB is given how much? 5. 5 square is equal, what is VBR? I don't know. Plus what is VR? 3 square. Therefore, what is VBR? VBR is nothing but 25 minus 9. That is nothing but 16. Therefore, what is VBR? Velocity of boat with respect to river is 4 meters per second. This is nothing but 4 meters per second. Now, in which direction the velocity of boat is? The velocity of boat is resultant of these two vectors. Therefore, the resultant of these two vectors will be in this direction. That is velocity of boat, which is given as 5 meters per second. I think now it is clear. Okay, now see the second point, B bit. If width of the river is 100 meters, if the width of the river is 100 meters, find the time taken. Find the time taken to cross it. Find the time taken to cross it. Now what's the time taken? The time taken to cross it is how much? The width of the river is how much? 100 meters. Now the body is moving with what velocity? The body is moving vertically with VBR. The body is moving horizontally with VR. The body is moving in this direction with velocity VB, that is 5 meters per second. That means to reach from here to there vertically on 100 meters, what is the time taken? The vertical distance is how much? The vertical distance is 100. What is the vertical velocity? The vertical velocity is 4. Nothing but 25 seconds. Nothing but 25 seconds. That means the boat will take to reach the other end 25 seconds. Now next question. Find drift. Find drift. What is a drift? The body is actually the boat is sailing in this direction. Because of the river flow, the boat is pushed in this direction. Therefore, the boat will move like this. That means the boat will reach here. Actually, the boat has to move in this direction, but because of the river velocity, the boat is pushed in this direction. Therefore, this is a drift. Now, how can I find the drift? The drift is nothing but horizontal direction. Therefore, in this direction, because of which velocity the boat is moving? Because of this VR, because of this VR, that is velocity of river. Because of this velocity of river only, I am pushed that side. Therefore, the drift is how much? Drift is nothing but x. Is nothing but velocity of river into what is the time taken? The time taken to move this much of vertical distance is exactly equal to the time taken by the body to move this much of horizontal distance. Both the times are same. Therefore, into 25. Time is 25. What is the velocity of river? 3. What is the velocity of, what is the time taken? 25. What is the drift? 75 meters. That means the boat will reach the other end at this point, at a distance 75 meters. I think it is clear. Now, last point D. Find the angle made by boat with river flow. They told to find the angle made by the boat with river flow. Now, what is velocity of boat? The velocity of boat is in this direction. Now, this is a river flow. Now, they told to find this angle. Alpha. Now, what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to how much? Tan alpha is equal to VBR y component by x component. Y component is how much? VBR by what is called VR. VBR how much? VBR we got as 4. What is VR? We got as 3. Therefore 4 by 3. Now when the tan alpha is 4 by 3, tan alpha is 4 by 3 when alpha is equal to 53 degrees. Sin 53 degrees is equal to 4 by 5. Cos 53 degrees is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore tan 53 is equal to sin 53 by cos 53 degrees, which is nothing but 4 by 3. Therefore with what angle? The boat is, the resultant of both, the direction of boat will be making an angle 53 degrees with the velocity of river. And this point is clear. First point, VBR, we have to find VBR. Now I know in shortest time, the velocity of the boat has to stay straight. If the boat is sailing straight, then it will reach in shortest time. But the path is not short. The path is this much of path. Why this? Why actually it has to move in this direction? Why it is moving in this direction? Because the river, the water is pushing the boat in that direction. Therefore, the body is moving in that direction. The boat is moving in that direction because of this one VR, and the boat is moving upwards. That means straight vertically with this velocity. Therefore, the resultant of this VR and VBR is nothing but VB. VB is equal to result of VBR plus VR. Therefore, what is VB? They gave 5. That is VR. They gave 3. Therefore, find VBR. We got as 4. Now, if the width is 100 meters, they told to find time. Now, width is 100. Now, the boat is crossing from here to the vertical distance. How much? The vertical distance is 100. What is vertical velocity? The vertical velocity is nothing but VBR. Therefore, why VBR? What is VBR? 4. Understood? V D by VBR, which is nothing but 100 by 4. There is nothing but 25 seconds. Now drift. Now because of which velocity the body is moving in this direction? The body is moving in this direction because of this velocity, river velocity. The river is pushing the boat that side. Therefore, what is the drift? Velocity into time. What is the time? 25. 3 into 25 75 meters. Now what is the angle made by the boat with respect to river flow? This is the direction of boat. What is the angle made? What is the angle made? VB is equal to tan alpha is equal to VBR by VR. That is nothing but 4 by 3. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. That is nothing but 53 degrees. I think this question is clear. Okay, now we will see the next question. Okay, see the next question. The velocity of the river is 3 meters per second. The velocity of the river is 3 meters per second, and a man is swimming with a velocity, and a man is swimming with a velocity in still water of 10 meters per second. The man is swimming with a velocity 10 meters in still water with a speed, how much speed? 10 meters per second at an angle 37 degrees with vertical. At an angle 37 degrees with vertical. Now they want to find first one. The velocity of man with respect to ground. What they want to find? They want to find the velocity of man with respect to ground. That is nothing but simply velocity of man. Second point. If width of the river is 100 meters. If the width of the river is 100 meters. Now they told to find the time taken to cross river. Now next one, you want to find the horizontal drift. They want to find the horizontal drift. Now last is to find the angle made by the man with river flow. With river flow. These are the questions. Read the question. The velocity of the river is 3 meters per second, and a man is swimming with a velocity in still water with what velocity? 10 meters per second, at an angle 37 degrees with vertical. Now they have to find velocity of man. If the width of the river is 100 meters, find the time taken to cross the river. Find the horizontal drift. Find the angle made by the man with river. Now see the question. Question is very important. This is the river. This is the velocity of river. That is how much? 3 meters per second. Now this is the vertical, and the man is swimming like this. This is the velocity of man with respect to river. Still water, velocity of man in still water. That is the meaning of VMR. Velocity of man with respect to river. How much? 10. I'm making an angle 37 degrees. Now same. Velocity of man with respect to river is equal to velocity of man minus velocity of river. Then what is velocity of man? The velocity of man is equal to, send this V other side. Velocity of man with respect to river plus velocity of river. That means the velocity of man is a resultant of velocity of man with respect to river plus velocity of river. That means the resultant of VR and this VMR is VM. Therefore, same. What is velocity of river? 3 I cap. I cap is that side. Now I am resolving this VMR in two directions. One is vertical, VMR cos 37, and this side is VMR sin 37. Therefore, which is the value? VMR is how much? 10. Now what is the value of cos 37? Already we know. What is the value of cos 37? The value of cos 37 is 4 by 5. You have to remember this. That is nothing but 5 ones, 5 twos. 2 4s are 8 meters per second. Now what is VMR sin theta? VMR is 10. Now what is sin 37? 3 by 5. Which is nothing but 6 meter per second. Will you accept that? Therefore, please, what is VMR? VMR means two components. 8 j cap plus 6 I cap. Therefore, what is the resultant? 8 j cap minus 3 I cap. That is the velocity of man. That is the velocity of man. That means here, this is 8. The velocity of river is 3. This side the river is, this side the velocity is 6. Therefore, what is the resultant? That side 3. The river is pushing that side 3, and the boat is swimming this side 6. Therefore, what is the resultant? The resultant will be 3. Therefore, this is velocity of boat. What is velocity of boat? The velocity of boat is nothing but resultant of VMR and VR. That is nothing but VB is equal to how much? 8j cap minus 3 I cap. So what is the magnitude? Velocity of a magnitude. Root of 8 square plus 3 square. That is nothing but root of 64 plus 9. That is nothing but how much? Root of 73 meter per second. I got it. What is the velocity of man? The velocity of man is root of 73 meters per second. I think it is clear. Now, if the width is 100 meters, find the time taken. Now, what is the time taken? The time taken is nothing but vertical displacement by vertical velocity. What is the vertical displacement? The width of the river is 100 meters. Now with what velocity the man is crossing the river? Vertically he is moving with a speed 8 meters per second. If there is no vertical velocity, the man can't cross the river. He will move either this side or that side, that's all. But because of the vertical velocity only, the man is crossing the river. What is the distance? 100 meters. With what velocity he is crossing? 8 meters per second. Therefore 100 by velocity of man with respect to river cos 37, that is 100 by 8. How much? 100 by 8 means 2 fours, 2 50s, 2 25s, 2 2s. There is nothing but 12.5 seconds. Therefore, the person can cross the river within 12.5 seconds. In the same time, now what are you going to find? Drift. Now what is the drift? What is the drift? Now say me. The man is having vertical velocity how much? 8 meters per second. Now the man is having velocity this side how much? 6. And that side the river velocity is 3. What is the resultant velocity? What is the resultant? The man is swimming that side with 6 and the river is pushing him that side with 3. Therefore, what is the resultant? The resultant is 3. Therefore, horizontal resultant velocity is how much? Drift is nothing but horizontal velocity into time. Therefore, horizontal velocity is how much? The horizontal velocity is how much? The horizontal velocity of man is how much? 3. Now what is the time taken? 12.5 seconds. Therefore, what is the drift? Horizontal drift? 3 into 12.5. How much? There is nothing but 75.2. There is nothing but 37.5 meters. That is the drift. What is the drift? The drift is 37.5 meters. That means where the man will reach. The man won't reach horizontal vertical here. The man won't reach that side. Now which direction the man will reach? This side the velocity is more 6 when compared to that side. Therefore the resultant velocity is in this direction. Therefore the man will reach this point. Now this is a drift. I think it is clear. Now last one. The angle made by the man with river flow. Same. This is the velocity of man. This is 8. This is 3. Now this is the angle made, assume. This is the angle made alpha. Now what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base, that is 8 by 3. If what is alpha? Alpha is equal to tan inverse 8 by 3. But what is the river flow? The river flow is in this direction. No, they don't have to find with the river flow. That means this is the angle. If what is the angle made? The angle made by the man with the river flow, how much? The angle made by the man with river flow. With river flow, how much? This with opposite direction, but with this river flow. This velocity of man. With what is angle made? What is angle made? 180 minus alpha. Therefore, 180 minus alpha is how much? Tan inverse 8 by 3. This is very important question. Now, the man is not going in the shortest path, or the man is not going in the shortest time. He is not going in the shortest time. He is not going in shortest path. Observe carefully. This is very important question. The man is moving like this with respect to river with an angle 37. Horizontal velocity of him is 8. And the velocity of man with respect to river, horizontal, vertical is 8. Horizontal is 6. This side he is moving with 6. And the river is pushing him that side by 3. What is the resultant? The resultant is 3. The Vm is nothing but what is velocity of man? Velocity of man is resultant of these two. Therefore, the resultant of these two I got as 8, 3. Therefore, 8 j cap minus 3 I cap. What is the magnitude? Root of 73 meters per second. What is the time taken? The time taken to cross the river is vertical displacement by vertical velocity. That is 100 by vertical. What is vertical velocity? 8. 12.5 seconds. What is the drift? Because of this 3 meters per second, where the body will reach? The body will be somewhere here. What is the drift? This is the drift. What is the drift? Drift is equal to horizontal velocity into time. That is horizontal velocity is 3. 3 into 12.5. That is nothing but 37.5 meters. What is the angle made by the man with respect to river flow? Yeah, I am assuming this angle alpha. What is alpha? Tan alpha is equal to 8 by 3. Therefore, alpha tan inverse 8 by 3. But they don't find with the river flow. This is the river flow. Therefore, the angle 180 minus alpha. I think this question is clear. Very, very important question. Okay, now we will see the last question in this relative motion boat river problems. Last question. These are also very important question. Okay, now see the last question. That is fourth question. Two persons, A and B. There are two persons, A and B, starting from same point. Starting from same point and having same speed. Having same speed with respect to river. Having same speed with respect to river of 10 meters per second. And the river flow is of 5 meters per second. And the river flow is of 5 meters per second. Okay, now A is moving in shortest path and the B is moving in shortest time. The A is moving in shortest path and the B is moving in shortest time. Now find the velocity of running speed, or simply find the running speed of B so that find the running speed of B so that B and A reach the same point at same time. I am giving you 10 seconds time or 20 seconds time. Read the question once again. This is very important question. The two persons A and B starting from same point and having the same speed with respect to river. How much speed? 10 meters per second. Okay, well and good. Now the river flow is how much? 5 meters per second. Okay, well and good. Now A is moving in shortest path and the B is moving in shortest time. Now to find the running speed of B so that B and A reach the same point at same time. That is the question. Now say me, how can I solve this question? How can I solve this question? Say me. Okay, now see here. This is the point where both A and B are starting. Now I am assuming this is A. Now the A is moving in shortest path. If they want to move in a shortest path, in which direction he has to swim? He has to swim in this direction. With a speed, how much? With a speed 10 meters per second. What is the angle made with the horizontal, with the vertical? Some theta. Okay. Now this is the velocity of river. Okay, well and good. Now the B is also starting from here, but the B is moving in shortest time. That means like this. This is the starting point. Now if you want to if you want to go in a shortest time, in which direction he has to swim? He has to swim vertically. That is 10 meters per second. And this is the river velocity. That is VR. Here also the river velocity is VR. Now, if he is swimming with the velocity 10 meters per second, if he is moving in the shortest time, now he will where in which direction the resultant will be? The resultant will be in this direction. That means he won't reach the opposite point. He will reach somewhere here. Now this one is nothing but drift. This one is nothing but drift. Now what he is doing? He is reaching. When compared to A, the B is reaching early. Well and good. Now what is the B is doing? From here, the B started to run from here to there. From here, the B started to run. Now they told to find the speed of that running. That's all. Now first of all, I am going to find the time taken. Now, Sammy, this is 10. Now what is speed? This one? There is nothing but 10 cos theta. Now what is this one? 10 sin theta. To reach the shortest path, what is the condition? The VR must be equal to this 10 sin theta. Now what is VR? The velocity of they were gave us 5 meters per second. That is 5. What is sin theta? 1 by 2. Therefore nothing but 30 degrees. The word sin theta 30 degrees. 1 by 2 means 30 degrees. What is theta? 30 degrees. Therefore what is this velocity? 10 cos theta. 10 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. That is nothing but 5 root 3 meter per second. Okay, now what is the time taken to for A? The time taken by the body A is how much? The time taken by the person to move from here to there how much? The width is how much? They gave the width of the river. Assume the width of the river is 100 meters. The width of the river is 100 meters. Therefore, what is the time taken? 100 by what velocity is crossing the river? 5 root 3. It is 20 by root 3 seconds. The time taken by the body A to reach the opposite point is how much? 20 root 3 seconds. Now in the same time, in the same 20 by root 3 seconds, the B has to reach here, and from here he has to run to here to here. In the same time. Now what is the time taken by the boy to reach from here to there? The time taken by the B, how much? What is the vertical displacement? 100. Now what is the vertical velocity? The vertical velocity is 10, therefore 10 seconds. Now what is the drift? What is the drift? Horizontal velocity, that is VR, into what is the time? 10. Therefore 5 into 10. There is nothing but 50 meters. The drift is 50 meters. Now from here to here, he has to run. Therefore, what is the time taken? The time taken is from here to here he has to run. That is drift is 50 meters. Assume he is running with the speed u. Therefore, what is the time? 50 by u. Therefore, this time 20 by root 3 must be exactly equal to both are reaching the same point at the same time. That means the time taken by both are same. Therefore, the time taken is 20 by root 3 is exactly equal to the time taken by the B to reach from here to there. That is how much? 10 seconds plus to reach from here to there. That is how much? 50 by u. Now they have to find this u. Now what's the time taken? Same. 20 by root 3 minus 10 is equal to 50 by u. 0, 0, 0 cancelled off. Therefore, how much? Take the LCM. 2 minus root 3 by root 3 is equal to 5 by u. Therefore, what is speed? U is equal to 5 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 meter per second. Therefore, the speed, what is the running speed of the B? The running speed of the B is 5 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 meters per second. Point is clear, I think so. The A is moving shortest path. If the A wants to move in shortest path, he has to swim in this direction. If what is the angle made? First of all, angle made is 30 degrees. Therefore, the time taken? Vertical displacement by vertical velocity. What is the vertical displacement? Width of the river is 100 meters. 100 by what is vertical speed? 5 root 3. Therefore, 20 by root 3. Now the B is moving shortest time. If he wants to move in shortest time, he has to swim vertically. For 10 meters per second. This is the velocity of river. Now in which direction he will move? The resultant will be in this direction. That means that B will reach this point. If he wants to move in shortest time, there will be some drift. Therefore the B is reaching this point. Now what's the time taken to cross the river? 10 seconds. Now from here to here he has to run. What's running speed? I don't know. What is the drift? Drift is nothing but vertical velocity, that is river velocity, that is horizontal velocity, that is nothing but river velocity into time, that is 50 meters. That is time equal to 50 by u. Now this time has to be equal to cross the river plus to move from here to here. That is 10 plus 50 by u. Therefore find what is u? 5 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 meters per second. That is the solution. These 4 problems are very important. If you are good with these 4 problems, you can solve any type of problem in these models. Any type, confirm, 100% sure. I think it is clear. In next video, we will see the rain man problems. The relative velocity of rain with respect to man. And we will see the windcraft and aeroplane problems. Okay? And if any doubts, you can comment me, and if there anything to be changed by myself, you can say me. Just you can say me in my mail so that I will change for you guys. That's not a big issue. Thanks for watching. Bye.